Yo guys, back with me again. Okay, today I'm going to review motorcycle boots, which are the Dainese BMW boots. Okay, just straight to the point here. This is a very nice boots. Why I select this? Because at their time, these Dainese boots, they never made it with like small holes on the boots. We call it like as a perforation, the perforated. So as you see here, we have like small holes. These will allow you make better get like cooler, when you're riding it, like the MotoGP rider boots. So they are not has a lot just on this side. On the other side, as you see, nope, because if for the MotoGP riders, the perforated hose has around here and here, but this one just on this side. But overall, this is a very nice boots, as you see with the double R on that side, and there is a the BMW logo there. This BMW as well. Okay, there's no made in Italy as usual. The Dainese Axial Pro in here usually they put like made in Italy logo, not this one. And the sliders, no Dainese. There is no Dainese logo. They change it with the BMW Motorrad instead. And then to the bottom, still the same as you see here. Same thing like normally Dainese Axial Pro in boots. Let's see about inside, but before that one, as we see here, they put a letter in here. See here, it's very nice. They put letter on here because usually for the normally Dainese boots, only this material. It doesn't come with this letter, so they put letter here and make it very nice. And about inside, let's see. Let's open the boots. Everything's still the same. It's just like normally Dainese boots. And oh, one thing I forgot, guys. I like this material. See this? On normally Dainese boot, they put rubber. This one no rubber. This like I don't know what it called. Like sweat materials, or this is just like a soft leather with the gray color. But this is like a hairy though. This is like a hairy. Let me bring it down so you can see. See, that's the material, like a hairy one. Very nice materials. Very nice design. Okay, let's open now. Okay, we look inside. Still everything quite like the same, but the difference is, let me open it. Okay, as you see here, what inside still the same. Everything's still the same. Still the same with this one too, but they added leather materials here. Over here they put leather. This side too. Okay, and everything. And there are labels, the tag BMW Motorrad, and that's the size, and that's it. So both boots will come same label like this. Okay, so guys, that's from me. So this is still the same as usual. The UC boot Axial Pro in boots come with the strap. Sorry, kind of shaking the camera. Okay, so you can see inside. Oh, the same. Okay. Okay guys, that's from me. Thank you for watching. So here we go. The Dainese Axial Pro in boots. Okay, this is in size of 45. Okay, there you go. Very nice boots. Okay. Oh yeah, this is used boots. It's not new. So let me take the other side. Yep. So BMW logo. The beautiful soft hairy material heels. I don't know what name. Blue letters. Alright. Okay then. That's for me. BMW Motorroad boots. Thank you for watching guys.